at Dallas EICA, English Cricket Academy. Just came to take a look at few bats here, and a very good place for getting your bats in Central Texas, North Texas. And we have a practice cages as well on the outside here, which you cannot see right now. And just wanted to kind of give you a review of few bats here, one of the best bats that these guys have. So here is one of them. It's a GM original, and a lot of English players right now are using these GM bats. They are kind of thin edges and not bulky, but they have a great punch because they are really pressed very hard, and nice good semi-oval handle. So that's this one.
How many grains it has?
This has like close to yeah. Let me show you guys. So like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a lot of grains.
Cool.
Anything 7 and above, like 8 grains, are very decent enough. And this is one of those players back. Let me show you guys the ping. Barely touching the ball and flies off from the bat. Kind of decent ball. So, let me show you one of my bats here. This is a bat I just purchased from these guys, custom made on Tobara stickers and stuff. Chunky edges, like a 40 plus. It's gonna burst the gauge, and we got a 65 spine as well. That's where you hit the ball and gone out of the park. And a 30 mm choke, and has a round and semi-oval handle, round on the top, semi-oval at the bottom. And as usual, the ping guys. It's not and it's already flying. So that's the bow, Asian bow.
Cool. Thank you.
Similar bat if you guys want to go ahead, which is still available for purchase.
Cool. Thank you.